Welcome to my video. I bought a present for my husband, Valkental Waterproof Cycling Gloves. Unboxing first. He has expensive waterproof gloves, but unfortunately he got wet in them. The size is XXL. I will try it on, but of course they are a little big for me. Now my husband is trying. He is very happy with the gift. Small waterproof test. It is also possible to use your mobile phone with your fingers. I know they are big for me, but I also had to try them on in nature. Thank you for watching and subscribe.